You guys, man. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Can you tell what is happening right now? Yes. You want orange? Okay, go. Orange is coming up. Baby wants orange. You guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Workout is on its way. I just finished running off the treadmill. Hot and sweaty, but hot and sweaty is good most of the time. Where did my mind just go? Kick your mind out the gutter, you slacker, you. Run is just done. Baby's off to work. Tyler is here wanting orange, so I'm going to give him his orange and head to get some abs done real quick. Tyler, say good morning. Say good morning. How are you? How are you, Tyler? You're okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Mama. Mama.
Yes. Mama gonna make you orange like you requested. Okay? Let me find a knife in here.
Honey. Honey. Honey.
If you guys don't know by now, my baby love orange, so he's having 2 orange. We're just going to cut those and squeeze them, and it's good to go. Normally I would peel it like we do in Jamaica and feed him that way, but your girl don't have any time for that. When you're a mama, you have to find time to improvise. Wait. He wants to help. There we go. There we go. Bravo. Okay, we have to throw it out into the cup now. Like that. So that's one. And do the other one. Come, you do it. Bravo. Bravo. That's the other one. All right, orange juice is ready. Ready. What do you say? You're welcome. Go sit. Mama carrying it for you. So make sure you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys get your workout in. If all this workout doesn't motivate you, I don't know what will. If babe working out doesn't motivate you, I don't know what will. And he'll be getting his workout in this afternoon when he get back from work. So yeah, let me stop chit-chatting before I get cold and go jump into my abs. Oh my gosh, you guys, so much has happened since you guys saw me this morning, but I didn't get a chance to pick up the camera because everything was just going so fast and nothing was going the way I wanted it to go. The life of a mom, when you have things to do with this little time. As you can hear, the house is a little bit quiet and I'm talking a little bit low because Tyler is off to get a nap. He's napping right now. I finished workout this morning. Workout was really good. I had no much time, so I didn't film anything much to show you guys what I did this morning, which is the usual, of course. And after that I made breakfast, and then Tyler started to get a little bit whiny. He started to cry and he started to say nose. Whenever he's saying nose, he's telling you that his nose is stuffy. So his nose was running, his eyes running, his nose running. So I think he's having a little cold, and because his nose is bothering him, he gets really whiny, and he wanted to do nothing but to sit in my lap all morning. So I just had to give in, and everything that I had planned to do within that time this morning, I had to just let everything go and spend the time with him this morning. So he wanted to just cuddle and sit on me, and I just had to do what I had to do. I guess that's how life is. You just have to roll with the punches as it goes. So now that he's done for a nap, I kind of tidied the house a bit. I sweep and I clean the kitchen. I pack his bag because he's going to daycare. I pack my bag because I am heading to work. I just finished combing my hair and getting my makeup done, and throw some food in the microwave that I'm warming up. So for lunch, I am going to eat that real quick. I'm going to have lunch real quick. I just warmed some salmon that I made, that I had in the fridge. So I'm still not sure what I want to eat with this salmon. It's not the usual smoked salmon that I'm gonna eat. I have this salmon that I made, so I'm going to probably eat this just with some tomatoes and corn because I'm not really that hungry, but I can't go on the road without eating. I have too much stories of me going on the road not eating and what happened, so I'm not going to eat much. So I'm just going to put some tomatoes and a little bit of corn from a tin on that, and that's going to be lunch for today. And boom, that's lunch. That's lunch. I'm going to eat this real quick and work while I eat because I don't have no time to sit down and eat. So I am rushing like crazy, heading out the house. Run to go catch the bus. You want water? Tell them later. Later. He just wake up and asking for water. So we're going to go and catch the bus right now. You guys, I am literally out of breath because I had to run. I literally missed, we missed our usual bus, so we have to catch a different bus. So this one I had to walk like 10 minutes, but because I ran, I get it. I reach it like in 5 minutes, like in half the time. But thank God I catch this bus because that one that I missed, the usual one. What do you want? You want a tablet?
Apple.
Do you want a tablet?
Apple.
There's no apple.
Apple.
You want popcorn? You want popcorn? That bus that I miss is the last bus that passed my house. So yeah, I missed that bus, but I'm gonna catch this one, so I should be still on time.
Hi guys, good evening. Hope everybody doing well. Didn't see you today, so yeah, hope everybody enjoying the Monday, the beginning of the week. So gotta be ready for this week, gotta be in good shape because Thursday coming we just feel boom. So yeah, everything okay here. I went to take Tyler at daycare, so we're back home just now. I'm about to feed him. Babe should be here in 15 minutes, so yeah, she's soon gonna come. My mission today will be to feed Tyler, then to go run. I try to stay motivated and try to go run, try to keep the male spirit. Yeah, try to keep the male spirit. Alright guys, I'm gonna feed Tyler and I'll catch you guys, okay?
Just got in back from work, came home to a crying baby. I could hear him from outside crying. He's really stuffy. Nose. Oh, look at that runny nose. Oh, my baby's sick. He's sick. Look at your runny nose. Nose. Wipe his stomach. You're sick? Yeah. So he's been crying for me, babe, since he's been crying the past 10 minutes. Crying for mama. So I got home just in time to cuddle him, so he was just cuddling. I'm gonna have to give him some medicine before bed. I hope he will have a good night because whenever he's sick, he is really grumpy. And he still have to go to daycare tomorrow. Anyways, baby's working out right now, and I'm going to make dinner warm. That way I can eat until he's finished working out. Let me show you guys him running. Baby. everything is running. So you guys, this is what dinner is looking like for me tonight. And babe gonna have the same veggies, but I'm not sure whether it's gonna have stewed chicken or curry chicken. The stewed chicken was so good last night, so I decided to have it tonight again. Come true. How much minutes you are? You sound like you passed 30. Whoa, baby. Show off. Oh, show off. Show off. Love it. Come to, baby. How do you feel after workout?
I feel my foot like I need a massage.
Are you trying to tell me something?
I told you already.
You tell me when.
I told you already, you tell me yes.
When?
Earlier.
Why are you lying?
I promise you. I tell you, baby, I need a massage tonight, and you tell me yes.
Where was I?
When I was doing ads. Maybe that was your way to motivate me. I don't know.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I remember.
Anything for you. You're not going to forget what is a massage. You're not going to forget. I'm going to give it the Jamaican expression. It's funny how I am discovering all these Jamaican expressions and how funny they are through all these expressions I find on social media. So this one I'm going to give you says, any dirty water cool hot iron. Any dirty water cool hot iron simply means not everyone that says they're your friend are really your friends, or be careful of relationships. Say,
any dirty water, cool hot iron. That's it?
Yes, any dirty water.
Boom, boom, boom.
Any dirty water, cool hot iron.
Any dirty water, cool hot iron.
Yo, yes,
Any
baby,
dirty
come
water,
true.
cool hot iron, you know?
Alright, what's the French word or expression?
What's the French word that comes to my mind? Like, Tyler cry.
Yeah,
So I just
because he's
wanted
not feeling well at all.
Yes, I just wanted to say cry. Cry in French. When you cry, for like worrying, is not, I don't say screaming or crying. I'm just talking when you're screaming like a baby and you see the tears going down. It calls pleurer. So pleurer in French is crying, but when you have the tears rolling down, okay? Say it.
Pleurer.
Right. So Tyler
Il
pleure.
pleut.
Yeah, il pleure. Il a beaucoup
pleure.
pleuré aujourd'hui.
Oui. When I came home, I could hear him crying from
for 10
in
minutes
the
he cried
elevator.
non-stop.
Mama.
Mama, sometimes it sounds like it's a papa, mama, and then you went out the door and trying to open the door by himself.
They're looking for me.
Alright.
I felt so bad when I came home and see him crying because
When you
that
say
was
stop
how he was
straight.
crying this morning. As you see me go,
Stop straight.
the crying was done. My sweet boy, but he's not feeling well. His nose is running like crazy every time he's in nose. And Tyler is a kind of kid where he doesn't like to get his hand all messy and dirty. So once you have to touch his nose, he comes to you to clean it. I don't know how he loves painting and he doesn't like to get messy. He's a prim and proper kitty. I can't deal with him. So we really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog today, even though it wasn't much, but of course we still take you guys along our day on this side of the world. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye
Bye.
guys.